welcome back. We are here in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, where we get to taste some delicious recipes from allrecipes.com using some of the ingredients that we feature in our show. And my taste testers today, we have Chef Laurent Zurati, who is also a culinary arts instructor. Thanks for being here.
Good morning,
yes.
Christy. How are you today?
I'm
Hello,
wonderful.
Thomas.
Hello. I get to taste some food, and also Tomas, my partner in crime. Thank you for being here.
Good to see you, Christine. Good to see you guys at home too.
So we are going to be tasting some chocolate zucchini muffins today. Nice. And zucchini, you're always looking for ways to get rid of your zucchini, right? If you have a home garden and you grow zucchini, you know what I'm talking about. So we are putting it into a muffin today. And this episode was all about vegetable seed. Yeah. And you know, I don't think a lot of people realize how much vegetable seed is grown here and then sent out to other states so they can also grow seed. It's kind of interesting how it all works, and you were able to go.
Well, yeah, and I was able to go and visit the seed inspection place where farmers send them their seeds and then they sit there and go through it. It was an incredible experience to see how much detailed work goes in to ensure that things that are leaving Washington are of the utmost and impeccable quality. It's awesome.
Yeah, I love that. So chocolate zucchini muffins.
Ooh, cannot wait.
Sounds pretty good to me. Well, what a beautiful presentation.
It's gorgeous.
Don't be afraid to make a double batch, a triple batch, because you have so much zucchini, right? And you freeze it. You scoop it, you put it on sheet pan, then you pack it when it's frozen in a Ziploc bag, and you can bake them as you go, because I don't think you want to eat zucchini muffin every day, so time to time.
Well, I think I might. This is so good.
Oh, good.
I love the little mini chocolate chips in it. And it's not like I'm tasting a zucchini, but it makes it really moist.
Right. It would be hard to know that there's zucchini in this. If somebody didn't tell you. You definitely give this to your kids or stubborn teens at home and say, hey, here you go. And they think it's a chocolate muffin. And indeed, there's a lot of zucchini in this. This is very good.
Really good.
I like the touch of those little chip of chocolate on top. I really like that touch.
That was delicious.
Some of the comments, Lorna says, these turned out perfect. They are moist, not too sweet. They are delicious. Added some cocoa bits and coconut. She says her husband loved them.
I really like the idea of the coconut flakes because it will bring some texture also to it, some crunchiness.
Yeah, if you wanted to toast the coconut and put it on top.
On top, beautiful. There you go.
Good ideas, guys.
Yeah, you're the chef, Thomas, here.
I like it. Yeah, and so if you want to give this recipe a try and maybe do your own take, tag us on social media and take a picture of it. So we'd love to see it.
Love to see it. Thank you.
Cheers. To get the recipe for chocolate zucchini muffins, visit wagrown.com.